Okay, I'm going to show you guys how I did the gradebook template. So the first thing I did was I put the names in alphabetical order, and I did that just by highlighting the whole table, and then I went to home and I clicked sort and filter, and then I clicked sort from A to Z, and that's how I did that. Then after I did that, I did all the averages and the points and the GPA. So the first thing that I did was I came to quiz averages and I typed in the formula, and I typed in sum open parentheses, and then I highlighted quiz 1 all the way to fitness gram. So, and then right from there I clicked close, I typed close parentheses backslash, which is divided by 200, and then I got the average of 45%, and then after that I moved it all the way down like that, and then it applied it to all the rest. Okay. And then from here I did the average of the test the exact same way. I typed in sum open parentheses, and then I highlighted all of these, and then it included it in the parentheses, and then I clicked close parentheses divided by 500. I didn't include the 100 in the skills because that was not, there's no grades for that. And then it gave me the 87%, and then once again I just dragged it down and it applied to all of them. For the point, I typed sum, I highlighted quiz 1 to fitness gram, close parentheses, another sum, and then I highlighted these from volleyball all the way to participation, close parentheses, and then that gave me the sum of all of the points. Then once again I just dragged it down and it applied to all of them. Then from here I did the sum of extra credit and points divided by 700. And you could either drag or you can just type in the squares because there's only 2 of them. So once again from there I dragged it down and it applied to all of them. Then for the class average, the formula I used was sum open parentheses, and then I did all the students in row B, and then it put them into the parentheses. I closed parentheses divided by 10 since there were 10 students, and then from there I slid it across all the way across, and it applied to all the averages. After that I added the chart, and I did that by, you have to, in order to add a chart, you have to highlight the data that you want to place in the chart, and then you go to insert, and then you choose, you can do a column, line, pie, bar graph, scatter. There's other charts, and then you can also do like line, columns, whatever you want, and you can add whatever kind of data you want. You can make it do whatever you want. You could add titles, whatever you would like to do. And then I just placed that chart beneath here. The next thing I did was I added filters, and I did that by highlighting the first two rows, and then home. On the home tab, I went to sort and filter, and I just clicked filter, and that'll auto filter it. Then after I filtered it, I added in a header, and I believe that's, yeah, it's an insert, header, and footer. And as you can see, I already added my header right here. And that's how I did everything in the assignment.